Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use EQ mode on your Skullcandy Indie Evo earbuds. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, let's take out the earbuds from the case so we can use them. And when you have your earbuds in your ears and you are listening to any music or anything, to activate EQ mode, you have to tap twice, and the third time you have to hold. So it's 2 taps and 1 hold. For the earbuds, you can do this on each of them, so you're not constrained to doing it on one of them, which is a very cool way, because on some earbuds you have to do it on a specific one, which can be very frustrating when your hands are occupied or something and you can do it. But yeah, here you can do it on any of them. You just tap twice and hold, and it's going to activate the EQ mode. Now in the EQ mode, you can choose different listening modes. You can choose music, you can choose movies, or you can choose podcast listening mode. And I think there might be some more, and you can switch between them, which is a very cool feature. And yeah, I like these EQ modes. It makes the listening experience much better for each category, because you don't want to use all the same sound options for each listening experience. You need different kind of sound settings for music or podcast. And yeah, this makes it available and it's very easy to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.